Well, you've made it to the end. Congratulations. I know that was a lot of information given in a short amount of time. And to be honest, we were just scratching the surface. But at least now you have a foundation to carry with you. In this workshop, you have learned about the factors that make interpersonal relationships so complicated. All about belief systems, the cycle of socialization. We define the basic human emotional needs of feeling heard, accepted, valued and respected, safe, apart, and loved. Then we discuss the 6 greatest gifts that we can give and receive of love, acceptance, empathy, respect, trust, and forgiveness. Lastly, we discuss some of the ways you can give and receive these gifts in your everyday life. We hope you have enjoyed this workshop and that you will go out into the world and give the 6 gifts to every person you interact with each day. If you enjoyed this workshop, please feel free to share it with others you know and let people know about the workshop on your social media feeds. If you have any questions about the content we discussed in this workshop, you want to learn more, or would like for us to present this in person to your organization or church, please feel free to reach out to us via email at zen@zengame.coach or visit our website. If you would like to learn more ways that you can improve your game, life, or health, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or check out our social media feeds. Our handle is at zengame.coach. There you'll find informational, educational, and entertaining videos. Thank you again for taking the time to learn and grow with us. Now go out, be kind, and share the gifts with the world.